Alam mo, for the longest time, IM Plus has been the leading organization in facilitating human learning. We have been an example and a model on public speaking, on facilitating skills, and of coaching. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, even outside the Philippines ay nakikinabang at naseserbisyohan ng pag-motivate, pag-i-inspire at pag-self-discovery na ginagawa ng IM Plus Coaching. And that is why I'm excited today because officially, we are launching our premier certification program. This aims to hit 3 primary objectives. First objective is to develop people to become premier public speakers. Number 2 is to support people towards the skills of facilitating human learning. And the third objective is to really support people to become coaches. At itong tatlong to, we're gonna do it the IM Plus way. This is gonna run for the next 12 months. Yes, ganun siya